Hello everyone. In this episode, we will discuss dashboard designing essentials, offering key insights to help you craft dashboards that not only look great but also convey information with clarity and impact. Follow these tips to transform your data into compelling visual stories. Define clear objectives. Before you start designing, clearly define the objectives of your dashboard. Understand the key insights you want to convey and the audience you are targeting. Choose the right chart types. Select chart types that best represent your data, bar charts for comparisons, line chart for trends, and pie chart for proportions. Avoid unnecessary chart types that may confuse your audience. Color harmony. Stick to a color theme that makes reading easier. Use different colors to highlight important points and remember to think about people who might have trouble seeing certain colors. Simplify and focus. Keep your dashboard clean and simplified. Remove unnecessary elements and focus on the most important information. Less is often more when it comes to effective dashboard design. Utilize white space. Utilize white space to guide your audience attention. Proper spacing enhances readability and allow users to absorb information without feeling confused. Interactive elements. Incorporate interactive elements like drop-downs, slices, or buttons to allow users to customize their view. This enhances user engagement and provides a more personalized experience. Tell a story. Arrange your visualizations in a logical order that tells a story. Guide your audience through a data, emphasizing a key insights and trends. Responsive designing. Ensure your dashboard is responsive to different screen sizes. This makes it accessible and user-friendly across various devices. Example: imagine you are creating a sales performance dashboard for your team. Define your objectives such as highlighting top-performing products, tracking sales trends, and monitoring regional performance. Use bar charts for product comparisons, line charts for sales trends, and a map for regional performance. Add interactive filters for users to explore specific time periods or product categories. Wrapping up, by following these dashboard designing essentials, you will create a visually appealing and effective tool for convey complex data stories at a glance.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.